Hi everyone, my name is Keith, a machine expert with USACLEAN for 12 years, and this is the Advance Aquaclean 18 FLX carpet extractor. In this video series, I'm going to show you some general maintenance that you can do yourself to help keep your machine running at peak performance, and it's going to help minimize the cost and need of sending a service tech. So, you've got a damaged shoe and you need to replace it. Very simple, this is how you do it. There's a release lever right here on this side of the shoe. You pull it out. Just shimmy the shoe out. Just like that. Now, if it's not damaged, it's clogged, or your gasket is broken anywhere along the shoe, take these 6 Allen screws out. This top cover comes off. You can rinse it out, get all the clogs out, fairly simple, or you can replace the gasket as well. Then just put the shoe back on and tighten it in. Putting a new shoe on, if you have a new shoe, same way you took it off. Line it back up. Make sure the hose is lined back up as well. Pull that lever. Push the shoe back in. Make sure your hose is attached. Just like that, and you're done. Once again, my name is Keith. For all the parts listed in today's video, plus thousands of diagrams and how-to repair guides, be sure to click the link in the description below or visit us on the web at USACLEAN.com. Now, if you liked what you watched, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for future videos. Stay safe and thanks for watching.